total 19 balls each side. So upper cone is gonna be with 19 balls, and so the lower cone. So the upper one is done. Now we are working on the folk tea. So now time to install those lower cone set balls. So this snooker game is always, laborious. Sometimes I hate, just in case if there is no cage. In new bikes they are providing cage, but when you buy the cone set from outside, even if it is non-branded or the branded, company is not giving ball cage in the cone set. Only it comes when you're buying the bike new. So this job is absolutely kind of a boring. It takes a lot of time. You have to open the fork, but this fork is little bit different. If you look at the top, then this has got a hexagonal, so Allen key is gonna fix over here. Now the problem is what? We don't have anything to hold this fork. So what we are going to use, we are going to use this existing fork tee which is fitted on the bike. So this is gonna be our fixture basically. So that's it. We will just tight the fork pinching bolt, but you have to be very careful because since there is no other tool, so best is to use bike itself as a tool. So this is not tight. This is the Allen key socket, 14 number Allen key socket. Somebody just hammered on that just to remove this. It is very easy to basically remove. It's not too much tight actually. That's it. But since there was no holding, so now it is just a normal tight. You don't need any particular torque or something over here.